So let's go over a problem that's very similar to number one that's on your TGA. So in this problem, it says that the population of a town was 3,500 in 2010, and the population grows at a rate of 2.5% annually. Use the exponential growth model to write an equation that estimates the population t years after 2010. So remember, the exponential growth model is going to be y equals a times 1 plus r to the t. So in this case, our A is going to be 3,500 because that's our starting value. So we write 3,500 times 1 plus, and then R is going to be this percentage, but written as a decimal. So we're going to take that 2.5 and we're going to move the decimal to the left 2. So it's 1 plus 0.025 to the T. So this is okay, but remember, it's just better to go ahead and add that 1 plus 0.025. So we have y equals 3,500 times 1.025 to the T. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use this model to estimate the population in 2024. So in 2024, that means we're going to have a t equals 14 because 2024 is actually 14 years after 2010. Okay, so the time that's passed has been 14. So when we plug that in, we have y equals 3,500 times 1.025 to the 14. And please remember when you're doing your TGA to show this step right here where you have your values plugged in, because that's very helpful in case you make a mistake in your final answer. You can actually get lots of partial credit if you show me where these numbers came from. So when we do that in our calculator, we get 4,945.408. But remember, since we're talking about population, we want to go ahead and round to the nearest whole number. So that's going to be 4,945 people. Okay, and that's going to be your final answer.